Hi everybody, welcome back to Puggo News Around the World here, and today we're going to be unboxing all three Sonic Boom limited edition gift sets. So, let's get to it. But before we get started with today's video, I would like to say, if you guys are wondering where I got these from, I got them from Amazon. And if you guys are wondering how much I paid for them, I paid $40 altogether for all three of them. And I'll also leave a link down description down below if you want to check it out there. And I'll leave all three links to these individually, and you guys can get all of them, which I'd highly recommend doing so, because $40 I think for all three of them is a steal, and I'd highly recommend picking these up for your guys' Sonic collection. It says Sonic Boom Limited Edition Gift Set Season 1 Volume 1 there, as you guys can see, and I like the got like darker blue, lightish blue, which I really do like, and they kind of remind me of honeycombs in the background, which I really do like. And right here, as you guys can see, Dr. Eggman there, as you guys can see, and Sonic, he has fallen down in there. Sonic and Dr. Eggman figures included over 4 hours, which I really do like. And I just really do like Sonic there on the front of the box there, which I really do like. Let's take a closer look up at the Sonic action figure here, as you guys can see. So this is what Sonic looks like, which I really do like, and I'm super excited and can't wait to add this to my Sonic collection. So there's the front side for you guys, this side, back side, there's that side, and he can move his head back and forth. You can move his arms up and down, and from side to side. His leg moves up and down. So here is the Dr. Eggman action figure here, as you guys can see. So there's what the DVD looks like from the front side there, as you guys can see. There's the back side for you guys. That's what it looks like. So here's the front of the magazine for you guys. Some other Sonic games there, as you guys can see, that they're promoting. And there's that, which I really do. There's disc 1 and disc 2, and they're 145 minutes per disc, which I really do like. So here is the second gift set here, as you guys can see. So let's take a closer look up at it. And the only thing different with this one, that it's Season 1 Volume 2, and it comes with Tails and the Knuckles figures there, as you guys can see. And Tails is falling out of his thing, and Knuckles is like barely staying in there, as you guys can see. So here is a closer look up at Tails. So here is Knuckles. So here is what the DVD looks like here, as you guys can see. And there's the back side. And open it up. And it comes with this cool Sonic the Hedgehog in theaters February 14th. Like little tiny poster, which I really do like. It shows both the gift sets that I have. There's that disc. And there's that disc for you guys. So last but not least, here is the third Sonic Boom Limited Edition gift set. Here as you guys can see, and it's Season 2 Volume 1. So let's take a closer look up at it. The Sonic backpack keychain is supposed to be there, but he's fallen down on there. Limited edition Sonic Boom Sonic backpack keychain here as you guys can see. Well, here's the top of it here as you guys can see. So this is what the disc looks like here as you guys can see. So there's the front side for you guys. So there's the back side. We open it up, that's what it looks like. So there's that for you guys. So there's disc 1 and there's disc 2. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys next time on Pogo News Around the World. Bye. And I hope you guys have a Sonic Boom fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next one.